से डर नहीं लगता साहब, थप्पड़ से लगता है. Well, with that dialogue, I'm sure you would have guessed who my next guest is. It's Sonakshi Sinha. She has a Sindhi mom, and today I have made Sindhi curry for her, which I'm going to use for test your taste buds. I hope she likes it and I get some pyar and not thappad. Let's go. Hi Sonakshi, welcome to Sunday Brunch.
Thank you very much. I'm very excited because I'm very hungry right now.
And what a grand entry that was. कब से शुरू किया आपने ये riding?
I just actually learned for something that I'm doing and I enjoyed it so much कि मैंने मतलब सोचा कि अब मैं हर रोज़ एक ना किसी दोस्त का बाइक उधार ले लेती हूँ, बट मैं बहुत जल्द अपना खुद का बाइक भी ले लूँगी and I'm really enjoying it क्योंकि मुंबई की ट्रैफिक तो आप जानते ही हो, उसको बीट करने के लिए बाइक पे जाना पड़ेगा सब जगह.
That's really cool. I wasn't expecting that. बट मैं भी आपसे अभी राइडिंग लेसन्स लेने वाली हूँ. I want to know, you've had quite a mixed upbringing, a Bihari father and a Sindhi mom. What kind of food have you grown up with?
All sorts of food क्योंकि मेरी mom is I think the best cook I know. And जब उन्होंने she makes amazing Sindhi food, so we've grown up like having Sindhi curry, aloo ka took, you know, that fried masale wali bhindi. Then when she got married, I think उन्होंने पूरी बिहारी cuisine भी सीख ली from my grandmother, जो मेरे dad के mom थे, उनसे. And so you know सरसों वाला fish and लिट्टी चोखा, stuff like that. So cuisine wise, I think we've had a very good spread growing up, and that showed क्योंकि मैं एक बहुत ही हट्टी कट्टी बच्ची थी. And you know I blame it all on my mother's cooking.
So what is that one dish that you really like that your mom cooks?
Her Sindhi curry is out of this world.
Really, are you sure about that?
Yeah.
और भी try किया है आपने कभी सिंधी कड़ी?
मैंने actually कई जगहों पर try किया, but जितना अच्छा मेरी mom बनाती है मुझे लगता है आज तक किसी ने नहीं बनाया, and I'm very confident about that. Yeah.
अच्छा. Okay, now बचपन से you've always been a foodie. To what degree can you go for food?
Don't even ask. It's so sad that I have to be on a diet. मतलब मैं दिल जलता है मेरा, you know, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा प्रोफेशन चुना है जहाँ पर मुझे स्लिम एंड फिट रहना पड़ता है, तो मैं जो मुझे खाना है मैं खा नहीं सकती क्योंकि मेरी पर्सनालिटी बॉडी टाइप भी ऐसी है कि मैं खाना सूंघ लूँ और आई पुट ऑन वेट. सो आई हैव टू रियली कंट्रोल व्हाट आई एम ईटिंग, बट आई लव फूड. स्कूल में भी जब मैं बैठी होती थी क्लास में, अगर आप मुझे ऐसे देखते तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि खाने में क्या है. आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ माई नेक्स्ट मील.
And are you one of those जो abroad जाकर इंडियन खाना ढूंढते हैं? Do you?
Always, oh my God, सब लोग मुझसे परेशान हैं क्योंकि मैं जहाँ पे भी जाऊँ दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में मुझे अपना इंडियन खाना तो चाहिए. Of course, I'll try other stuff, but I like having that comfort of having my Indian food around. Like जैसे मैं बुदापेस्ट में शूट करी थी and मैं वहाँ पर 50 दिनों के लिए थी. मैंने सबसे पहले मेरे बॉय गंगा को बोला कि आप जाओ एंड एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढ लो और हम वहीं से खाना मंगाएंगे जब भी मन करेगा.
Is that really your favorite cuisine?
Yeah, Indian is my favorite cuisine.
और उसके अलावा do you like?
No food like Indian food. अब एकदम वो तेल घी भरा हुआ छोले भटूरे, राजमा चावल, बटर चिकन. Oh my God, yeah.
अबे आपकी बातों से लग रहा है you are really hungry.
Very very hungry.
And let's start then. Well, don't worry. This is the show जहाँ हम बहुत दिल भर कर खाना खाएंगे. Forget about your diet today. But
I was told. मन तो नहीं कर रहा, but I think I'll maneuver a little bit and जो मैं खा सकती हूँ मैं वो मंगा दूँगी यहाँ से.
ठीक है. Well, first things first, we are going to blindfold you and test your taste buds.
Oh my God, smells good.
Does it smell familiar to you?
Yeah. Oh, it's smelling really good.
I'm going to make a really small bite for you.
Yeah. This is quite torturous what you're doing. Making me smell great food when I'm feeling so hungry.
I just hope it's not very hot though. Open your mouth.
Okay. Definitely Sindhi curry.
Okay.
ये मेरी मॉम ने बनाया क्या?
नहीं.
Because it's very very similar.
Really? Oh, and you said your mom makes the best one. Can I
best
tell you
one,
something?
yeah.
I'm Sindhi.
What do you
And I have made this for you.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Thank you. Yes, wait, there's more for you.
But seriously, that was so good.
Really? Thank you so much. Thank you.
मम्मी को बोलना पड़ेगा कंपटीशन आ गया है मार्केट में.
There. Open your mouth.
Calamari, is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, okay.
There's one more dish for you. Open your mouth.
Okay, this I have no idea. Oh, yeah.
One more bite you want?
Yeah. It's really good, but like. Kali dal.
Yes. Well done. I can't believe Sonakshi actually guessed all 3 dishes. Now you can open the blindfold, don't worry.
It wasn't that hard, no?
Yeah, we got you some simple,
but
easy
listen.
dishes and some of your favorites.
But all this food was like, you actually made this?
I really made that for you.
It's really good.
Thank you so much.
Like, I actually just want to have this now.
I was wondering मुझे प्यार मिलेगा या थप्पड़ मिलेगा after
बिल्कुल
this.
नहीं, आपको बहुत ढेर सारा प्यार मिलेगा.
I'm
देखिए,
glad.
आपके लिए मैं एक और बाइट खा रही हूँ, कार्ब्स खा रही हूँ मैं. देखो कितनी बड़ी सैक्रिफाइस कर रही हूँ मैं.
For the love of Sindhi curry. Tell me, बचपन में कैसा था? Were you conscious about the way you look?
I actually wasn't, but unfortunately, everybody around me bothered more and cared more about how I looked than I looked. I was very happy being one nice rotund child, जो खाना है खा सकते हैं, you know, without a care in the world. I used to play sports, and you know, I was really enjoying myself. So for me, my looks wasn't really, you know, something I used to concern myself with too much.
And now does it bother you कि आपको अपने करियर की वजह से you have to be very conscious about?
It bothers me that I can't eat, but I'm also very thankful that I've become fit, you know, because that is what is most important. I think your happiness and your health is what is most important, and I'm very happy that I'm fit. But of course, I would love it if I could eat whatever I wanted.
And still stay fit
Yeah,
and
still
slim.
stay fit, yeah.
Were you ever bullied or fat shamed in school?
Oh, all the time. People get picked on for the way they look or how much they weigh, and the boys used to bully me a lot. But I feel like I was a very confident person within myself, because I used to always think that I have so much more to offer to the world. Like, I was good at sports, I was great at, you know, my other extracurricular activities in school. I could speak well, I could paint, draw, you know. So I had a lot of other talents that made me confident. It wasn't about looks at all. So I used to give it back to them. I used to beat up the boys and all.
You used to beat up boys?
Like, really beat them up. Because I'm not going to sit and take that nonsense. Please.
Really? मारा है आपने लड़कों को?
Pela hai, matlab. I used to sit on them. I used to use my weight to my advantage. मेरे को like,
तो किसी के पेरेंट्स आए घर पे कंप्लेन करने के लिए?
नहीं, हिम्मत नहीं होती थी किसी.
अच्छा, स्कूल में सबको पता था you are Shatrughan Sinha's daughter?
I mean, yeah, because on the first day of school, मेरे डैड बड़े एक्साइटेड होके लेके आए मुझे, तो जिन्हें नहीं भी पता था उन्हें तब पता चल गया था. बट आई डोंट थिंक स्कूल में, आई वेंट टू अ लवली स्कूल जहाँ पर nobody, you know, really brought that up or treated me any differently for it, and I love that. I really appreciate that. So like, yeah, they didn't set me apart based on whose daughter I was, and I feel that plays a very strong part in making me the person I am today. So I'm very, very thankful to my school and my peers and my friends.
Which school did you go to?
I went to Aryabhata Mandir, Juhu.
Oh, okay. And you also have 2 siblings, twin brothers, Love and Kush, big family. तो बचपन में लड़ाई होती थी?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा. उफ, मतलब growing up with a brother anyway is like, you know, WWF से आप वाकिफ़ हो जाते हो, and you have to learn these moves to like protect yourself. तो हम बहुत लड़ाई करते थे बचपन में, and of course because they're twins, so they're always together. So it's always like sideline me. You're like separate and like we're like the team. I'm just like, how mean. I always have to like fight my way into it. Yeah.
No, but one would imagine because you're the only daughter, so सारा attention आप पर होता था.
हाँ, तो इससे वो लोग उसका सब गुस्सा मुझ पर उतारते थे क्योंकि सारा attention मुझ पे होता था.
You've studied fashion, Sonakshi. You are a singer. Then how did this transition happen? When did you realize that you want to be an actor?
I didn't realize until I was on set, my first day on set. I think that's when I realized that this is what I want to continue with, you know, as a career, because acting I truly feel like I'm Destiny's Child. You know, it's not something that I wanted to be when I grew up. I used to not watch that many films. I was always like interested in sports and other things. You know, so for me, films was never on the card. But of course, Salman saw something in me which I also couldn't see at that point in time, and he used to really encourage me to lose weight and then start acting. And eventually, I did. And even before I started my film, I was like, पता नहीं कि अब continue करना है कि नहीं. And then when I first time I faced the camera, I was like, हाँ यही करना है because I felt so comfortable in front of the camera. It was, I can't even explain the feeling. You won't understand what I'm trying to say. Like, it was just bizarre. Like, I felt like I've been doing this for years and I just want to keep doing it.
So it just came very naturally to you. It didn't
something
feel like an
that. Yeah,
effort.
it didn't feel like, I have to do anything more than what I'm feeling right now. And that for me is the best thing ever.
Yeah. And do you remember the first time your encounter with a fan where somebody came running to you and he...
I remember the very first autographs I gave. We were shooting for Dabang, and this was in Panchgani. We were staying at this beautiful resort, and these two very beautiful, very pretty girls. I remember the names also, Zena and Shireen. They came to me, and this is way back in 2009. They came up to me and they were like, "Can we have your autograph, please?" And I was like, "Yes, you can. Please, Lilo." So that's something that I always remember.
Yeah, and it's nice that you remember their names. I'm sure अगर आज वो हमें देख रहे होंगे, they'll feel really special. Our platform is also about travel, and I want to know how passionate are you about traveling?
I love traveling. I feel like my end goal, I think, for working hard is कि मैं travel कर पाऊँगी. I can go wherever I want to go in the world, and I feel like that's why my incentive to work so hard is that I should be able to place my finger on the map any place and I could be able to go there. So I love traveling.
Yeah, which was the last place you visited?
The last place I visited was Bangalore, but I have friends there. But I keep going diving, like to Maldives, to Seychelles. I'm a complete water baby, and so most of my holidays are around a place where I can go like diving and snorkeling. So yeah, last international was Maldives.
Yeah. So you're more of a beach person than a mountain person.
Fully, yeah.
And what kind of a traveler are you? मतलब अगर आप जाते हो, do you enjoy sightseeing? Do you enjoy chilling and relaxing at the beach? Or
जब मैं travel करती हूँ ना, I don't enter a shop. I'm the kind of person who just wants to walk around क्योंकि यहाँ पे चलने मिलता है नहीं. And so when I can, I'll just explore the entire city just by walking around. I love it.
और आपके साथ जो travel partners होते हैं वो थक नहीं जाते आपके साथ walk करके?
नहीं, that's why it's very important, ऐसे लोगों के साथ travel करो who are like you,
Yeah, that's true.
who share the same kind of interests, who want to do the same kind of things.
Yeah.
And if they want to do something different, you should also be open. You have to be very open-minded when you're traveling. You should be open to trying out new things.
Yeah.
So, touch wood, I've always found very nice travel companions, and I really have a blast because I'm not the kind of person कि सब मैं plan करके नहीं जाऊँगी. मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब सब plan होता है, मैं बस जल्दी नैया में बैठ जाऊँगी.
So who are you most travel compatible with?
I am most travel compatible with my best friend. Her name is Vidhi. But now she has a baby, so she can't travel with me too much and all the time. So yeah, I miss travel.
You have to look for a new travel partner now. With the baby.
But actually, I have lots of friends who I keep circulating amongst like whenever I travel. So I'm sorted with my travel companion.
Yeah. Do you travel with your parents?
Not so much anymore actually.
Is it? कैसा है उनके साथ travel करना? I'm sure it must be.
My dad जब भी travel करते हैं वो सिर्फ होटल में बैठते हैं. पापा बॉम्बे में कर लो ना. इतना दूर आके क्यों होटल में आपको बैठना है? So yeah, that is not the right person to travel.
Yes, never. They would never make a good travel companion ever. Those who want to stay in the hotel room. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure everybody has a different idea of traveling. So.
Yeah.
What about your mom? Is she adventurous?
Mom is she likes to explore.
Okay.
She likes doing all these museum type visits and like sightseeing. Yeah.
What about adventure sports?
I love.
Yeah. कौन सा क्या try किया है आपने? Have you done like skydiving?
Skydiving I don't think is something I want to do. मतलब स्टूपिड लगता है प्लेन से कूद जाओ, कौन करता है ये बेहुदा चीज़ so, नहीं नहीं I'm okay, I don't want to jump.
मतलब अगर फिल्म के लिए करना हो तो
करना हो तो कर लूँगी बट पर्सनली लाइक नहीं, मेरे को नहीं करना. I don't want to jump off a plane.
So if there's one place which may be on your bucket list या कोई dream destination, is there any place like that?
Japan. I really want to go to like that side of the world. I've really not even remotely gone anywhere close. So Japan is something that I really want to see. Tokyo.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, tell me, जब आप movies के लिए जाते हैं abroad shoot करने, that time do you ever take some time out to explore the place?
Of course. In fact, that's the only time I get to explore new places. You know. But the funny part is कि जब मैं हीरोइन बन रही थी तो मैंने सोचा कि वाओ मैं तो पूरी दुनिया घूमूंगी, आउटडोर शूट होगा, तो मुझे लेके नहीं जाता है यार. Like the one film I shot outdoor start to finish is in Budapest, which was Force 2. उसके बाद एक गाने के लिए यहाँ चले गए, वहाँ चले गए, 2-3 दिन का हुआ, and then we come back. But I'm not going only out of India. I've seen every चप्पा of India तो देख लिया, and it's beautiful. Honestly, I'm glad actually क्योंकि अगर if it wasn't for my profession, I would not have been able to see the beauty we have in our own country.
In fact, you know, that's the trend. Most Indians always travel abroad.
Yeah. So I would have not seen half these places. You know, Hampi, Hubli, they are beautiful. So many places in Rajasthan that are stunning.
India में कोई favorite जगह है आपकी?
Kerala, Goa. Yeah,
they're
you know,
all
so
beautiful.
they're all beautiful. Kerala was something I went actually, but no, that was more of a personal trip. हम अपने dad के birthday के लिए गए थे, and we went on the backwaters in Alleppey, and it was just so peaceful and just stunning.
Yeah, but must be hard to travel in India, right? लोग हर जगह पहचानते हैं.
Yeah, it is. That's what I'm saying. Like, if it wasn't for my profession, I would not end up going to these places because you know it's difficult.
Yeah.
So I really appreciate that bit about my.
And the good thing about traveling in India is आपको Indian खाना मिल जाएगा.
खुश हूँ. मुझे बस इंडियन खाना दे दो, मैं खुश हूँ.
आपको मुंबई का स्ट्रीट फूड पसंद है?
इतना पसंद नहीं होना चाहिए बट पसंद है.
क्या पसंद है सबसे ज़्यादा और ऐसा कोई फूड जॉइंट दैट यू रेगुलरली विजिट?
मेरे कॉलेज के बाहर वो डोसे के ठेले होते थे. शुशाब शेजवान चीज़ डोसा, ये हम ही कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ मुंबई में होता है ये. मतलब आप डोसे के अंदर शेजवान नूडल्स डाल के मुझे बेच रहे हो. मैं खा भी रही हूँ, इतना अच्छा होता है.
आई नो.
You know, and vada pav, pav bhaji, cheese pav bhaji. Oh my god, I used to gorge on it in college. Then in SNDT when I was studying, we used to have these amazing, मतलब कलर देखो ना डर जाएगा इंसान, इतने लाल कलर के शेजवान नूडल्स, and it used to be so spicy and yum. I used to eat that every day for lunch. For 3 years that I was in that college, every day for lunch I used to have that 2 bowls, not even one, 2 big bowls of शेजवान नूडल्स.
मतलब एक दिन अगर भगवान ने बोला आपको जो खाना है खा लो, वेट पुट ऑन नहीं करोगे, क्या खाओगे?
प्लीज बोल दो भगवान मुझे ये वरदान दे दो प्लीज. बोला होता तो मतलब तबाही मचा देती. मतलब खत्म सब रेस्टोरेंट्स की घेर नहीं. But I love pizza. I love all the street food.
Right.
I really like it. I love Chinese food, Thai food, rice. मैं भर के राइस खाती हूँ. मेरे को मतलब दिल ही नहीं भरता. मैं जितनी भी राइस खिला दो ना मैं खा सकती हूँ.
वाओ.
मुझे ये 2 प्लेट पे इतना बड़ा माउंटेन ऑफ राइस बना के दो तो मैं खा लूँगी. I love rice.
Okay, I'm suddenly feeling very bad for you.
I just suddenly started feeling very bad for myself.
But no, look at the way you look. I think it's all worth it.
And I was like, is it really worth it? I'm giving up my happiness. But no, it is worth it. It's worth being fit. I think it's worth being healthy.
Yeah, definitely. चलो, let's play a fun game now. It's called 5-second fire.
Okay.
आपको 5 seconds मिलेंगे. I'm gonna ask you questions and you have to give me answer in 5 seconds.
Okay.
3 things you do when someone annoys you.
I switch off, like I zone out, or I get very chid, or I scream.
Okay. 3 other words for kiss.
Chumma, Pucci. I don't know. Smooch.
Okay, 3 people who annoy you the most.
3 people who annoy me the most. My 3 closest friends only annoy me the most. Yeah.
Yeah? You want to name them?
No, I don't know.
3 actors whose names start with S.
3 actors. Shah Rukh, Salman, Saif.
3 reasons for being late.
I'm never late. I can't answer this question of yours.
Really?
I'm the most punctual person you'll ever meet in your life. I am never late.
Okay. 3 food dishes that you love the most.
My mom's Sindhi curry, chole bhature, and keema pav.
We should have got chole bhature also for you today.
भूल गए.
कोई नहीं. Next Sunday brunch में हम ऐसा करेंगे.
Cheat day पे खा लूँगी.
ठीक है. This is my favorite and uncensored.
Okay.
3 things you say when you're really angry.
3 things I say when I'm really angry, but you'll censor it if I say it.
No, I won't. Go for it.
I want you to censor it. I can't. I'm a role model to a lot of people. Guide them in a wrong way. But yeah, I have quite a few choice of words that just escape my mouth. I shall keep it to that.
Okay. Okay, Sonakshi. So I had a great time.
I did
enjoying
too.
this Sunday brunch. अभी बहुत खाना बचा है.
काफी बजे वही देख लो मैं खा के थक गई हूँ.
नहीं, we should finish it. Yeah.
खत्म तो नहीं होगा. But we'll have a little bit more.
ठीक है. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you. That was a fun chat. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Fab. I should stop eating pav now. वो बहुत खाती हूँ.
ये खा लो ना. Chicken you didn't eat at all.
No, I didn't feel like having.
Protein. You not had lunch today?
मुझे shoot ना. I entered my van and I was like, भूख लगी है खाना दे दे. Then I realized मैं खाना खाना ही जा रहा है. Better not eat.
Yeah, makes sense, na?
Yeah.